Ram. How are you today?
Fine, sir. Good afternoon.
Everything is fine?
Fine, sir.
Good. Today we are here to learn how to fill in-room dining amenities sheet.
Yes.
The word amenities mean facilities or services. For example, in a hotel, in a room, housekeeping is providing different kind of amenities. Dental kit, shaving kit, and other stationery. So, and from in-room dining, they are providing fruit and sweet to the guest room. All of these are called amenities.
Amenities.
After getting this training, we will be able to put the amenities in the guest room before his arrival. And when the guest will arrive, he will see fruit and other amenities are placed in the room. He will feel happy. When the guest is happy, guest is satisfied, he will share his experience to his other friends, which is good for our hotel reputation, for our hotel revenue. It's good for us. So first of all, we should check our hands. Hands should be neat and clean and dry.
Alright, sir.
What we have to check first, Mr. Ghulam?
Our hand should be neat and clean and dry.
Good. And then clipboard which we are using should be neat and clean and A4 size, because we'll use A4 size papers. Plus hotel pen should be used with a hotel monogram. Which pen and clipboard will use?
Clipboard should be neat and clean and dry and A4 size and hotel pen.
Good. Make sure we should have three kind of sheets. First is amenities sheet. Second, in-house list or sheet.
Right.
Third is arrival sheet.
Alright.
Which three sheets will you use?
Amenities sheet, arrival sheet and in-house sheet.
Good. Do you have any more questions so far?
No, sir.
Would you please practice this, whatever you learned so far?
Alright, sir. First of all, sir, our hand should be neat and clean and dry.
Yes.
So clipboard should be neat and clean and dry and A4 size. We will use hotel pen with the hotel monogram. Make sure we have three sheets. This is amenity sheet, arrival list and in-house list.
Good. Very good.
In this.
Now we proceed to the next step. First of all, we have to write the date on the sheet, then our name, and then signature. What we have to do first?
Date, name and signature.
Good. Amenity sheet have 5 columns. How many columns?
5 columns.
5 columns. First column is for the room number, which is already printed. First column is for?
Room numbers, which is already printed.
Good. Second column is for grade. Grade mean MIB 1, 2 or 3. So we will take arrival list first, and then we will fill the second column. Deluxe rooms MIB 3, junior suites MIB 2, executive suite MIB 1. Second column is for?
Grade. Grade mean MIP 1 or MIP 2 or MIP 3.
Good. Third column is for status, mean arrival or in-house. So as we are writing arrival first, so A mean arrival. Alright, A. Is there any more questions so far?
No, sir.
Would you please carry on your practice?
Alright, sir. First we will write date, name and signature. Amenity sheet have 5 columns. Number 1 column is for room number, which is already printed on amenity sheet. Second column is for grade. So we will take arrival list first. and we will fill second column. Deluxe room for MIP3, junior suite for MIP2, executive suite for MIP1. Third column is for status. Status means guest arrival or in-house. So this is arrival list, we'll write A. A for arrival.
Good, very good, wonderful. Now we proceed to the next column. Column number 4. Column number 4 is for guest presence. If the guest is inside at the time of amenities we place, then we will write Y, mean yes, inside. If no guest inside that time, then N, mean no guest. If room have do not disturb sign, then we will write D and D. So fourth column is for what?
Guest presence. Guest inside the room, we write Y. Y means yes, guest inside the room. If there is no guest, we write N. If guest put do not disturb sign, so we write D and D.
Good. Very good. Fifth column shows the time. At what time we place the amenity. So we'll write the time.
Okay.
At what time we place the amenity. Fifth column is for
Time.
time.
What time we deliver the service.
Now we'll take in-house list and we'll do the same as we did with the arrival rooms. Second column grade, deluxe room MIP3, junior suite MIP2, executive suite MIP1. But in status column we'll write I because I stand for in-house. I stand for
In-house.
in-house. So we write I. Fourth column for
Guest presence.
yes, guest presence. Guest inside, then
Y.
if no guest,
N.
if do not disturb sign.
D and D.
Good. Fifth column is for
Time.
time. Now we have completed this amenities sheet. Do you have any questions so far, Mr. Ghulam?
Also.
Would you please finish this practice now?
All that's it. Third column, fourth column is for guest presence. If guest inside the room, we write yes. If there is no guest, we write N. If guest put do not disturb sign, we write D and D. Fifth column is for time. What time we serve is amenities. We write time. So now we will take in-house list. So we will do same as we did before for arrival. Second column is for grade. Grade means deluxe room for MIP3, junior suite MIP2, executive suite MIP1. In status column, we will write I. I for in-house. So we will mention I. Fourth column is for guest presence. If guest inside the room, we write Y. If there is no guest, write N. If there is guest put do not disturb sign, we write D and D. Fifth column is for timing. So we will write time. What time we deliver the service.
Good. Very good. Is there any clarification so far? Any more question? If something is not clear,
No, sir. It's clear.
everything clear?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Can I ask question from you, sir?
Yes,
Mr. Ghulam?
please.
What we need to check first?
Our hand should be neat and clean and dry. Hygienically purpose.
Which pen and clipboard will use?
We will use our clipboard should be neat and clean and dry and A4 size, and we will use hotel pen.
What are three different kind of sheets?
We have amenity sheet, arrival list, and in-house list.
Very good. What we'll write first on the sheet?
Date, name, and sign.
How many columns sheet have? Amenity
5
sheet?
column.
And first column is for?
Room number, which is already printed on amenity sheet.
What will write in the second column and how?
Second column is for grade. Grade means MIP 1, MIP 2 or MIP 3. Deluxe room for MIP 3, junior suite for MIP 2 and executive suite for MIP 1.
What will write in the third column?
In third column is for status. Status means guest arrival or in-house. If guest we have arrival list, we will write A and I for in-house.
What the fourth column shows and how to fill?
Fourth column is for guest presence. If guest inside the room, we write Y. If there is no guest, we write N. If the guest put DND sign, so we write DND.
Very good. What the fifth column shows?
In fifth column, we will write time, sir. What time we deliver the service.
And what we'll do with the in-house list?
We will do same as we did before for arrival. Just in status column, we write I.
Wonderful. Very good. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Now, can you do it practical from point A to point Z?
All right, sir. First of all, we will check our hand should be neat and clean and dry. Our clipboard should be neat and clean and dry and A4 size. We will use quarter pen. Make sure we have 3 lists. One amenity sheet. This one arrival list. This is in-house list. So amenity sheet have 5 columns. We will write first date, name and signature. Amenity sheet have 5 columns. Number 1 is for room number, which is already printed on amenity sheet. Second column is for grade. Grade means MIP 1 or MIP 2 or MIP 3. Deluxe room is for MIP 3. So we will take arrival list. We will write MIP 3 room. Junior suite for MIP 2. Executive suite is for MIP 1. In third column is status. Status means guest arrival or in-house. So this is arrival list. We will write A for arrival. Fourth column is guest presence. Guest presence. If guest inside the room, we will write Y. If there is no guest, we will write N. If guest put do not disturb sign, we will write DND. Fifth column is for time. What time we put amenity, we will write the same time. So now we will take in-house list. So we will do same as did before for arrival. Second column for grade. Grade means MIP 3, MIP 2 or MIP 1. Status, in status column, third column is for status. Status means guest arrival or in-house. Here we have in-house list, so I for in-house. So we will write I. Fourth column is guest presence. If guest inside the room, Y. There is no guest, N and DND. Time. Fifth column is for time. What time we put amenities.